Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to test out the Ecotools Makeup Brush Shampoo. So if you want to see my thoughts on how this product works, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're going to test out this Makeup Brush Shampoo by Ecotools. It's not new. I don't know how old it is, but I was trying to look for a good cheap brush solution that actually cleans your brush, not just like a top coat brush cleaner like Some Secrets and things like that. Something that you actually have to deep clean your brushes with. So I bought this to test it out, and it is their Makeup Brush Shampoo. It's for a deep weekly cleanse. It's free of parabens, dermatologist tested, and it's hypoallergenic. It removes more than 90% of your makeup. So this retails for $7.99. This bottle is 6 fluid ounces, and I did get mine from Ulta, but you can get it at Walgreens, CVS, you know, places that sell Ecotools. So I am going to insert a clip here of me cleaning some of my brushes. So what I do is I just use this thing, I don't know what you'd call it, a cleaner, from Real Techniques. I use the small part for my small brushes, the middle part for, you know, middle, and then the thicker ones for big brushes, but I just use this. I don't buy a big huge one. I know you can get a whole mat that covers your sink, but I feel like this one is fine for me. And it works with this brush really nicely, or with this cleaner really nicely. And then I also use this little bowl that I put the product into, which this bowl I actually got from a different company for a face mask, but it works with this as well. So I would recommend putting the brush cleaner into some kind of bowl and then dipping it in like I did with the brushes, as you saw. So I have been using this for probably a month now, and I think it works really nicely. I do think it has a longer dry time than some. I have used some products that only take 24 hours for my brush to dry. This one, for my big brushes, like these, like my big brushes, it did take two days for it to fully dry, but I didn't notice any problem with them. It wasn't harsh on my brushes where I was having any shedding or anything like that. There was only one brush that I did have a residue problem with, and that is this brush, and I actually think it's because of its shape. This is a brush that I got as a gift, and I probably had it for 6 months before I finally cleaned it, which is really bad. But I think because of that, and I had to go so deep to get it clean, and it's so tightly packed, that it did take a while for this to come back to its normal like feeling. It did take a while, and like I said, it did have some residue, and I think it's because I just used too much of this. So I would be careful with that, but this is the only brush that I had that problem with. So yeah, this is an extremely short video. I don't know really what else to say about a brush cleaner. If you guys have any other brush cleaners you've tried that you really like that are affordable, let me know down below, because I love trying new brush cleaners. This one I do think is really good, and for $8, I think it's definitely worth it. But that's all I have for this video, so thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.